Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Elementor for theme building, full guide step by step clearly.
Today, we'll explore how to use Elementor for theme building.
First, ensure you have Elementor installed on your WordPress site.
Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and find the Plugins section. Click on Add New and search for Elementor. Once you find it, click on Install Now and then Activate. After activation, head over to the Elementor settings. Select the Settings option from the Elementor menu.
Here, you can configure basic settings for your site's display.
Next, go to the Templates section in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Theme Builder to access Elementor's theme building features.
You can start with creating headers, footers, or archive pages.
Choose the type of template you want to build first. Let's begin with a header template. Click on Add New, then select Header from the drop-down. Give your header template a name for easy identification. Now, click on Create Template. Elementor will provide you with pre-designed blocks to choose from.
You can choose a block or start with a completely blank page.
Drag and drop elements from the left panel to your header.
Add a logo, navigation menu, and any other desired widgets.
Customize each widget using the Settings panel. Change colors, fonts, and layout as per your design preference. Once you're satisfied, click on the Publish button. You will then be prompted to set conditions for your header. Choose where you want your header to appear on the site. Now, let's create a footer. Return to the Theme Builder. Click on Add New, then select Footer. Name your footer template and click Create Template. Just like the header, choose a block or start, drag and drop your desired elements into the footer. Consider adding social media links, copyright information, or contact details. Customize these elements to match your site's branding.
After you've finished designing, click Publish and set the display conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.